Oh, great. Okay, I'm almost done.
I don't want to go on the ski lift, because, like, when I fall, I can't get up.
I'll hit you with my snowboard.
Okay, don't fall this time.
Maybe I should go on the side where, like, my
I need
snowboard goes on the
Jackie,
other end. Hold on,
can you go all the way to the, can you sit at the right? And then Stephanie can sit in the middle, and then I can
sit on the right, yeah.
Yeah, so I can get off easier.
Wait, where am I sitting?
You and me next to each other is just going to go downhill.
Where am I sitting again?
You're sitting in the middle.
Oh.
I'm really cold. Yo. Oh,
something lost.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're going up our second ski lift. This one's really scary, though.
Okay.
Okay, I can't get my foot up.
Nobody on that.
I know, I told you.
Okay.
Look how empty it is. Oh my god.
I'm not going down that one.
Okay, which one are we going?
What are we supposed to do?
Stephanie, look how high this thing goes. Look, I'm gonna zoom in.
Don't worry, we're going on the
That's so cool.
Can you hold my hand while I
Okay.
Is this a wrong ride?
No, it's not. I know.
It looks like a long ride. Look at it. Tanya, look.
What?
Look all the way up there.
Oh my god. That's really high.
I know.
Mom, we're on the ski lift.
Okay.
I'm scared.
I know you do.
Scared. My sister went on.
Hyperventilating. Tanya gonna have a panic attack like on the boat ride.
To go on it, but she did it, and it wasn't her.
Sorry, I hate heights. I'm turning this thing off, otherwise I'm gonna see my.
I'm not tricking you.
This is so crazy. Stephanie's taking us all the way up there.
She tricked us. She's
like, it's a small lift.
It's the highest one.
No, that's how.
She's like, we're going all the way to the top.
That's the flat. That's the highest.
Yeah, notice how there's nobody else on these stupid things? There's some. One person.
It's just, but
they're all empty.
I did today, okay? And
I know. I just started snowboarding today, and I'm horrible.
I can do this.
I know.
You are. It's flatter. It's not gonna be like that.
My mom's gonna sue the heck out of you.
Okay. We have like another 10 minutes.
Evidence that we are forced on.
I know.
You wanted to go on it.
We have like a 10-minute ride left to the top. Jeez. You know, secret thing. Okay, my hand's frozen. I'm turning this thing off.